Hi, today we will learn about counting in multiples of 2s, 5s and 10s. Counting in multiples of 2s. Counting in multiples of 2s means counting in steps of 2s. When we count on 2s starting from 0, we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These are called even numbers. The caterpillar above shows the even numbers. Number line below, if we start from 0, 0 add 2 would be 2. Similarly, 2 add 2 would be 4. 4 add 2 would be 6 and so on. So these all are even numbers. Also, when we count on in 2s starting from 1, we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These numbers are called odd numbers. In the number line below, if we start counting from 1, add 2 would be 3. 3 add 2 would be 5. 5 add 2 would be 7 and so on. So all these numbers are odd numbers. Next is counting in the multiples of 5. Counting in the multiples of 5 means counting in steps of 5. For example, one flower with 5 petals is 5. 2 flowers with 5 petals would be 5. Add 5, which is equal to 10. Now, if there are 3 flowers with 5 petals each, it will be 5 add 5 add 5, which is equal to 15. Now, if there are 4 flowers with 5 petals each, there will be 5 add 5 add 5 add 5, which is equal to 20. When we count in the multiples of 5, we add 5 at each step. This is shown in the table below. 5 add 5 is 10. 10 add 5 is 15. 15 add 5 is 20. 20 add 5 is 25. 25 add 5 is 30 and so on. Now next is counting in the multiples of 10. Counting in the multiples of 10 means counting in steps of 10. For example, a building with 10 blocks or floors is counting in the steps of 10. Now, 2 buildings with 10 floors each will be 10 add 10, which is equal to 20. 3 buildings with 10 floors each will be 10 add 10 add 10, which is equal to 30 and so on. When we count on in tens, we add 10 at every step. For example, this table shows 10 add 10 is 20, 20 add 10 is 30, 30 add 10 is 40, 40 add 10 is 50 and so on.